Coin Mechanisms' ASCOIN modular range of multi-coin validators can accept up to 32 different coins in a single unit. Two of the models, which can be reprogrammed by the user on site just by introducing coins with the validator in its learning mode. Some of the product details of these devices include a standard 12-volt DC operation. You connect to the device using a dual-roll 10-pin IDC connector interface. They can be mechanically configured for use in either a normal front plate, that is where the validator has a top coin entry, or in a mini front plate where the validator has a side coin entry. There are multiple operating modes. You can operate the device in an output parallel fashion, used as a timer or a credit, and these different operating modes are set by dip switches. You can use a couple different protocols. The standard protocol would be either the parallel, timer, or credit mode, but you can also use another protocol called CC Talk. The coin diameter range of these devices range from 16.25 millimeters on the small diameter size, which is about 0.640 inches, up to 32.5 millimeters, which is about 1.28 inch diameter coin. You can also update these devices via the internet. All download softwares can be done by contacting the ASCOIN website for updates on the mechanisms. If you would like more information on Coin Mechanisms' ASCOIN line of coin validators, please visit our website or call the number listed on this screen.